I ended my first 10 minutes. I ended my first 10 minutes, now I'm trying another 10 minutes. Hopefully with
I don't
no...
think you have 10 minutes.
What?
I don't think it's going to last another 10 minutes. You'll hear a whole bunch of kabooms and that'll be the end of it.
Dad, fireworks. Very pretty.
Ooh.
Oh, I like those.
Ah.
Brandon, I feel like doing a technical difficulty.
Get it. Get it.
Totally recording this in 3D.
Why bother? It's not going to show up in 3D. It's just on fire, on fire.
Have fun there?
Yes, he is.
It looked like a green. Which? Don't sing.
Watch the fireworks.
Please rise for our national anthem.
That was cool.
What?
Bombs are not bursting.
Oh, you're in that car line. Why am I suggesting I pick up all the things?
No, sure it is.
Dude, I got it recording.
Oh. He did the burp thing.
What's that?
A bomb. It turned into a firework.
Should be the end of it. Those are so cool. I love those.
It's like going for the land.
I know. I like that. Oh, that's cool. Oh, sweet. I like that.
times have I
Every
done that?
time.
We said that same thing the last time, Jason.
I'm on the 5-minute mark.
This is the end of it here.
4-minute mark, dude. 4-minute mark.
You have 1 minute left?
She said
4
4
minutes.
minutes.
I'm 4 minutes in.
I have 5 minutes in my screen.
I just restarted accidentally.
Nice going, you have an incomplete video. Just
At
delete
least
it.
it's on.